Hello students, calorimetry, study of measurement of heat. How to measure heat is calorimetry. Calorimeter is a device used to measure quantity of heat. Notice, heat flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. Transfer of heat in three ways. Process of transfer of heat due to direct contact between objects is called conduction. Look at this, direct contact between objects is called conduction. For example, plate over hot vessel. Next, process of heat transfer due to transfer of matter called convection. For example, mixing some hot water in cool water. Look at this, due to transfer of matter, convection. Process of heat transfer without physical contact called radiation. Without physical contact. During winter, objects in the open place will be cool. During summer, objects in the open place will be hot. Neither direct contact nor transfer of matter. This is called radiation. Process of heat transfer without physical contact is called radiation. Cooling means loss of heat. Newton's law of cooling. Rate of cooling of an object is directly proportional to temperature difference between the object and surroundings. Next, thermodynamics. As we know, thermo means heat, dynamics means motion. Hence, thermodynamics is the motion of heat. It is the study of the relation between heat, temperature, work and energy. Thermodynamics is the relation between heat, temperature, work and energy. Thermodynamic system. Look at the figure. Inner side, particles under experiment. Outer side, surroundings. Assembly of large number of particles having pressure, volume and temperature. Thermodynamic system. These systems are of three types. Open, close, isolated. Open allows the transfer of heat and matter, both. Open cup of tea, example. Close allows the transfer of heat only. Tea in a closed bottle. Only heat comes out, no vapor. In the first one, open cup of tea, heat and vapor comes out. In this second example, closed one, last one, isolated. Neither heat nor matter comes out. Look at the example, tea in a flask. Surrounding, except system. Everything around it is surrounding. Universe, system plus surrounding. Thermodynamic variables or macroscopic variables. Quantities like pressure, volume and temperature, which helps to study the system, called thermodynamic variables. Pressure, volume and temperature are thermodynamic variables. Now answer. Name the device used to measure quantity of heat. Good. Calorimeter. Process of transfer of heat due to direct contact between objects is super conduction. Process of heat transfer due to transfer of matter called wonderful convection. Which law says rate of cooling of an object is directly proportional to temperature difference between its surroundings? Great. Newton's law of cooling. Assembly of large number of particles having a pressure, volume and temperature is said as super thermodynamic system. Name the system neither heat nor matter comes out. Great. Isolated. Fill the worksheet and enjoy the page. Best of luck.